Hello viewers, it's a cold one today. It's been in the single digits the past few days here. This truck has been sitting unplugged, unloved, cold, and heartbroken for the past week now, I believe. Yep. There's a block heater just sitting there all alone and lonely, not plugged in. It's been cold the last few days here, and last year this truck struggled to start, but eventually it got going. So now here we are, 352,257 miles. This is a 2001. The injectors are original. Everything fuel and high pressure oil related is all original on this engine. I believe the batteries are in good condition. The next few minutes of this video are going to tell whether that is the case or not. But enough said, let's see if we can get this old truck fired up. We've got good voltage, that's a good sign. Wait to start's going to be on for quite a while. Woo, yeah, look at that. 1 degree, exactly the same temperature that it was this time about a year ago when I did another cold start. So I'm gonna take it easy on her. I'm gonna let it have plenty of time to warm up. Wait to start light goes out, but those glow plugs are still warming up. I'll cycle this a time or two and then we'll start it up. They love to do that when they get cold. One of these days we'll replace that seal. Oh man, that was awesome. I am so proud of this truck. See, that's proof, guys. Keep your oil changed, use your arch oil, use your fuel additives. Dang, I'm starting to sound like Bill Hewitt here, but anyway, that's exciting. I love to see those original injectors still running at these brutal temperatures. That is awesome. we got the old Excursion fired up. She took a little coaxing, but she's running. All hooked up to the trailer. Let's see what that temperature is. Oh. There's a high idle. Got to keep that engine warm. Woo-wee! It's cold. You know, that Excursion cold start was fun. Let's go do another one, shall we? You guys asked for it, so here you go. Little disclaimer in case anyone wants to or thinks that it's warmer in here. It is ice cold in here. It is just as cold in here as it is outside. As you can see, snow and ice on the roof. Nothing is on heater wise in these greenhouses. Everything is ice cold. So without further ado, ooh, look at that, a full tank of fuel. Wow, there's a first time for everything. Let's fire this Kubota up. So let's see, we're at -3, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 23 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 60 seconds, as you can see right there. Uh-oh. Does that mean it's not going to start? It doesn't tell me how long to preheat it if it's below 23 degrees Fahrenheit. So, if it's -3, how long do we go? Typically what I do is I go until that little glow plug indicator in there starts glowing, which means that the glow plug tips are nice and warm. I'll leave it like that for a little bit. Give it about half throttle here. Press the clutch. Contact. Well, I think we know who won that cold start contest. That's no contest there. Kubota hands down. Alright, so in preparation for the snow that we might get, here's what I'm going for. This little blade here. Well, it's dark, but I hope you can make out the picture here. There we go. He's all loaded up. Merry Christmas, folks. Happy New Year.